Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your AirPods Pro 3 so quiet? Firstly, I recommend it to clean the grill. So remove ear tips from your earbuds. And right here we have the grill, so use the brush or a toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool and slightly clean the grill for the left and right earbud. Now, if it didn't help you, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old. Or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem for only one earbud, I have a solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have a path similar to iOS, to the settings, I mean. Okay, so on your iPhone, open Settings, then we should go to Accessibility. Scroll down, Accessibility located under the General Settings. Tap at this line, then scroll down. In the Hearing, we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at that line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. So, if you have the problem with the right earbud, you need to move this slider to the right, and we lower the volume for the left earbud. So you need to play some song, then move this dot to the right and to the left, and find a good balance for you. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you need to move this slider to the left side, and again you need to find a good balance. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to Accessibility. I have stock Android. On stock Android, Accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So scroll down, Accessibility. You may have it at the beginning or at the top. You can use the search to find Accessibility or Audio Balance. Then in the Accessibility, scroll down at the bottom, you'll find Audio Adjustment line. Tap at that line, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have a problem with your left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left side, and I recommend it to play some song. Move this dot to the left and to the right, and find a good balance for you. And we just lower the volume for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, move this dot to the right side, and again you need to find a good balance here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!